everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And I just thought of something, and I'm gonna try something on the fly real quick, and hopefully this is gonna work. I've been wanting to do some feathers for a long time. This works, or if it doesn't, I'm not too sure, but I am gonna try. So today, when I was doing another pour, I was using my skewer here, and yeah. And I was just playing around with my pottery wheel, and I was just making designs, going in. After doing all those dahlia flowers, using the skewer and using this technique, I thought it would be some fun to, you know, to just work it in here. Yeah, like this. And I'm not doing it any particular, you can see, there's no rhyme or reason the way I'm doing this. I'm just going in and moving it around. And I'm hoping that this will transform into a feather. And we shall see when we spin this out, which I'm gonna do right about now. Start that spinning. And I think that's pretty good. I'm gonna spin a little more. And I think that's looking pretty well. I think that's looking pretty good. Getting a little, whoops, sorry about that. Just trying to get a little of these paints over to the edges here. But I think for a very first try, that is not bad at all. Next time I'll just hold this back a little bit in here. Thank you for joining me tonight. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. Have a great day. Actually, I might just put this up tomorrow because I really like it.